everyone! Welcome to our super cute doll factory. Today I'm going to show you exactly how these adorable Barbie-style dolls are made.
These are the cute ingredients. Colorful plastic, shiny hair, and sparkly glitter. Everything starts right here.
The tiny beads are so colorful. They get measured perfectly so every doll comes out just right.
Wow, this part looks like a magical machine maze.
The plastic is melted and mixed together, like rainbow soup. The workers make sure the colors and textures are perfect. And here's the hot plastic traveling to become doll parts.
This is where the doll bodies are born. So tiny and cute.
Every piece is made super carefully. Look at the little noses.
Ow, the faces look so sweet right out of the mold.
The robots paint their little faces. So cute and perfect.
They're getting their beautiful long hair now. This whole place is like a giant doll makeover salon. They check every doll to make sure she's absolutely perfect.
The dolls are ready to travel to toy stores.
This factory is so beautiful from above.
And that's how our adorable dolls are made, aren't you, Riaz? From start to finish. Thanks for watching!